Welcome. In front of me is a Realme Pad 3, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So we're going to get started by opening up our settings application, and then on the side panel right here, navigate to System and Update, and then choose Backup and Reset, and then Reset Device. At the bottom you'll find Erase All Data, and this gives you a quick message: permanent clear all data. Your device will be restored to factory settings. I'm going to select Clear. Now, before I go any further, I want to point out that between the first clear and the second clear press, you will most likely have a screen lock show up. If you have one set, you will need to confirm it, and just when you press the second time, it will then begin factory resetting your device. Without providing that, you won't be able to progress any further. I don't have one, so that's why it doesn't show up. Anyway, we're gonna click on Clear, and it will now begin factory resetting your tablet. Now this process will take about probably minute, 2 minutes max to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.